How's it growing, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today to do a couple walkthroughs of offices where we have plants. We're gonna go to the Embarcadero Center. We're gonna go to the Ferry building. And then we're gonna go to the flower market to do an audio test and see how this wireless microphone works when it's extended. So follow along, subscribe, click the bell to be notified of future plant fun, and toss us a like if you find any of this interesting. Embarcadero Center. Alright, and bear with me here because I'm still getting to know the Pocket 2 as a field camera, but I think we're going to be able to get some buttery footage and show off these plants in a way I couldn't with just an iPhone. Alright, we're here at the office, going to do a little test walkthrough, show you some plants, show you some beautiful views, and let's get to it. This is the reception area. You can see beautiful lorata we've got here. And then this lorata has the best view in the city. Actually, I lied, because there's another lorata with a beautiful view. Got an awesome rubber plant in here. Okay, so we are downstairs in their dining area. They have some of these planter boxes which all have a bunch of different plants planted into them. There's a lot of variety in here, and the mix between upright plants and hanging plants actually provides a nice organic look. So all these plants have great light, they're in perfect conditions, and they are thriving. Oh, and they have a pretty darn good view too. Lovely office in the Ferry building. Got a couple orchids in here and some ZZ plants. If we back around this way, we have an orchid bowl on the desk here. A nice Kentia. And a fiddle leaf fig. Darn it, with another view. Farmer's market is packing up right now, so that's what you see there. Slow water. Alright, so let's see if we can water over here. Got a nice fiddly fig. It is just dried out, so we're going to give it a little drink. And then over here, Kentia palm, which is probably dry. Yep, definitely dry. Gonna give that almost a whole bucket, actually. Cause he's a thirsty boy. So we have an awesome double ZZ here. This would be, oh, you're hunting for me. That's what's happening. We got two ZZs here. They are in bright sun, so they're gonna need a lot of light, but that's to be expected. And then over here we have one of our orchid bowls. Probably not gonna need a lot of water. It's got a bromeliad, an orchid, ooh, a very dry air plant, and a snake plant. Show you a little more around the office. In here we have a matching Ficus lyrata. Interesting flip, but they have beautiful containers. They custom chose these. And again, fiddle leaf with the view. Farmer's market is just packing up. Anyway. Okay, we are dealing with this busy road because I want to show you the San Francisco flower market. I have an extendable monopod here. What you do is you actually pull this, screw this off, and you can attach a tripod mount to it. So I'll go ahead and show you that, and we'll get moving. Alright, so here we have the monopod with the Pocket 2 on it. We are using the internal microphone, and actually no, we're using the wireless mic. Ha ha ha. Going into the warehouse. This is definitely getting much higher up than I would be able to. Just walking a little fast there. Well, we got the wreaths coming in for Christmas. So it's not super loud here. There's a little buzz from behind me. But this is using the wireless microphone on the Pocket 2. This is one extension length away, and let's see, let's get you 2 extension lengths away. Obviously it's wireless, so we're not really going to worry about that. But you should be able to hear me just the same when I'm closer or further away. Okay, we are doing an audio test walking through the flower market with the wireless microphone. We're extended about probably 4 feet away from our body, and this is to see how well you can still hear me while kind of seeing my surroundings and taking in some of the lovely plants that you can see here. Oh, let's go take a look at these. And now I'm going to switch off the wireless mic, and it's like to use this on a selfie stick with the internal audio only. We're going to walk back through the flower market and give it a test to see what you can hear still, if you can hear me. You should get a little bit of good directional audio, hopefully. But again, this is extended at about 4 feet away, so I can't tell if you can hear me or not. Let's extend it even further. All right, that'll do it for today. Thanks for following along. Subscribe for more. Click that bell to be notified of future plant fun. Drop some fertilizer on that like button to support us. And let us know if any of this content was enjoyable for you, because we can make more of it. Show you some awesome plants with awesome views. Take care.